In this video, I'll show you how to download and install drivers for your Acer laptop. To get started, open your web browser and search for Acer drivers. From the search results, open the official Acer support page. Next, you'll need your laptop's serial number or model number. Enter the serial number on search box and press Enter. Acer will automatically detect your laptop model. Now, select the version of Windows installed on your laptop. Scroll down to view all available drivers, including graphics, audio, wireless, chipset, touchpad, and more. Download the drivers you need by clicking the Download button next to each one. Once the downloads are complete, open your Downloads folder. If the driver files are compressed, extract them first. Then open the Extracted folder and double-click the Setup or Installation file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver. That's it. This is how you can download and install drivers on an Acer laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.